Listen, every human being who has ever created greatness, fulfillment, purpose, has walked through these same 4 unavoidable stages of life. You cannot skip them. You cannot outsource them. You cannot pray, hope, or wish your way around them. But once you recognize them, once you know where you stand, you gain power, power to move, power to grow, power to change everything, because life isn't happening to you. Life is happening for you. Let's begin. Stage 1, discomfort. The awakening, everything starts with discomfort. That quiet restlessness, that internal itch that whispers, there has to be more than this. Maybe your job doesn't fulfill you. Maybe your relationships drain you. Maybe you look in the mirror and realize you've been living on autopilot. This is life shaking your shoulders, telling you the path you're on no longer fits who you're becoming. Comfort kills dreams. Discomfort ignites them. Most people try to numb this stage, distract themselves with entertainment, busyness, excuses. They lie to themselves. I'll start later. Things will get better on their own. It's not that bad. But inside, they know if you're feeling discomfort right now, congratulations, you are waking up. You are not broken. You are evolving. Discomfort is not the enemy. Discomfort is data. It's your soul pointing toward what you truly desire. It's the signal that the life you're living is too small for the person you are becoming. So stop running from it. Lean into it, because the pain of staying the same is always greater than the pain of change. Stage 2. Decision. The point of no return. There comes a moment, maybe out of frustration, maybe out of inspiration, when something inside you snaps. I'm done living small. I'm done accepting less. I'm done waiting. This is not a casual decision, not a New Year's resolution, not a half-hearted I'll try. A real decision is cutting off every other option. When you say, I will lose the weight, I will start the business, I will change my life, and there is no plan B. This stage requires courage, not clarity. Most people wait for the path to appear before taking the first step. Success doesn't work like that. You decide, then the path reveals itself. Action creates clarity. Clarity creates confidence. Confidence creates momentum. But it all begins with a decision to stop negotiating with your dream. Stage 3, discipline, the transformation. This is where most people quit. You'll wake up some days tired, unmotivated, discouraged, and life will test you. You said you wanted better? Life will ask, how bad do you really want it? Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is self-respect. It's waking up early when no one sees you. It's choosing progress over perfection. It's doing what needs to be done, especially when you don't feel like it. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you moving. Consistency changes everything. When you train discipline, you stop relying on emotion and start relying on standards. Your standards determine your future, not your wishes, not your hopes, not your goals. Your standards. When you become the kind of person who follows through, your self-belief becomes unstoppable. Stage 4, identity shift. The breakthrough after discipline comes the moment when everything clicks. You stop forcing the habit. The habit becomes you. You don't just work out. You are someone who trains. You don't just build a business. You are an entrepreneur. You don't just practice confidence. You are confident. The world mirrors back what you believe about yourself. Identity is the source of every result you produce. Once your identity shifts, your life cannot stay the same, because when you become the person capable of the dream becomes inevitable. Listen, you cannot control the timing. You cannot control the setbacks. You cannot control the opinions of others, but you can control how you respond. You can control whether you stay stuck in discomfort or rise into decision, discipline, and identity. These 4 stages are not a one-time event. They repeat every time you elevate your life. Discomfort, decision, discipline, identity. That is the cycle of growth. That is the formula of success. That is how you evolve into the strongest version of yourself. Your next level is calling you. The real question is, will you answer?